Hey everyone, Gil at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about, well, cutting boards. I was just, not sure of a funky way to introduce it, but it's just cutting boards. Because you're always going to be cutting something, and you don't want to be cutting on your counter. Now, there are a whole mess of different type cutting boards, and we got quite a few ourselves of the different types. There's the thin, flexible ones, that you have the one side is made not to slide on, and the other side is the side you cut on. There are ones that are a little, bigger and smaller that are thicker, that are of a different material, that are a lot more rigid, and they last longer than the other ones do, but they cost a little bit more money. There are the bigger Teflon ones. They even have some that go in the sink. They have side little brackets on the side that slide out, so you can just set it on the sink. You can do your cutting there, and for cutting vegetables and stuff, and you collect what you're cutting it off, and the other stuff you just push it right on off down to go into the garbage disposal or whatever. And then there are, of course, the wooden ones. There are lots of different type of wooden ones that you can get, but whatever it is, whatever type of cutting board you need, think about making sure it's one that can either last or one that you can get a whole bunch of really cheap. Because you don't want to be cutting on the counters. Now, cutting boards, even these, are a lot cheaper going through a whole bunch of these than it is to replace the countertop. All right? With that, keep adding to your supplies: water, food, medicine, clothing, skills, and get yourself really prepared for this winter.